Hey guys, welcome to Gardening Upbeat and I hope you are doing very well. This video is all about how to grow and care for Vanda orchid perfectly at home. I got my Vanda orchid almost 1 year back and this is the footage from January month. And this is the footage from 13 April. At that time it already produced flowering spike and here you can see that. Also here this footage is from 27th April. Finally, it bloomed and this footage is from 28 May and it started blooming from May first week. Now let me share what I do as a care for my Vanda orchid so that you can grow at your home easily. Three most important things, and first one is light. Vanda orchid needs bright light but not the direct sunlight. They also don't need to be potted like other orchids, for example Phalaenopsis. Well, many also use pots to grow them. As of now, I don't have any experience of growing Vanda orchids in pots. In case I try in coming days, definitely I would share with you. Vanda orchid is really the unique one. In nature, they absorb water from the air and that way they survive. Second most important thing, and it is proper watering. We can do it by two methods. First one is by spraying. Please note the normal color of the roots is silvery. Once they absorb enough water, it turns to green. So we need to keep spraying until and unless the color doesn't change. I also spray water on the leaves. The second method of watering Vanda orchid is simple. Take a bucket and fill it with water. After that, keep your orchid like this and wait for next 15 to 20 minutes. Make sure that all roots stay inside water. After 15 to 20 minutes, and here you can see that the roots are turning to green, means it has absorbed enough water. How frequently to water? Ideally we should do every day. But I am being honest here and I don't do it every day. I do it like once in 2 to 3 days. But I water daily as soon as I see the flowering spike or during the blooming time. Third important thing, and it is about fertilizers. I mix both organic and chemical fertilizers. If I am in rush, apply the chemical one and apply organic when I am free. For the chemical one, I use a product named as Organic Boon and it's available on Amazon. How to use them? Well, I have already shared this in one of my recent video about Phalaenopsis orchid. It is same for Vanda orchid except the frequency. So let me take the footage from that video. We need to use Orchid Boon two ways. The NPK ratio of the first one is 25, 10, 15 and we can use this during the growing time. The dose is 2 grams in 1 liter water. Mix it well and then spray the same way like watering. We can repeat this once in 15 to 20 days. The NPK ratio of the second one is 8-25-25, means it has less nitrogen and more phosphorus and potassium. During blooming stage or before blooming stage, the requirements of these two nutrients is high. We can start applying as soon as we see the flowering spike or start using this 1 to 2 months in advance. For example, I started applying from the middle of February and I was able to see flowering spike in April. Please note, based on your place, timing may be different for you and apply them based on the flowering season in your place. The dose is 5 grams in 1 liter water, which is 1 teaspoon. We can repeat this once in 15 to 20 days. Here is the second method of fertilizing Vanda orchid. Take a bucket and fill it with water. For example, here I am taking almost 7 to 8 liters water. Next, take 6 to 8 cloves of garlic. It's okay even if you don't peel them. After that, make few small pieces. Garlic is high in potassium and phosphorus and all plants need these two nutrients. Add the garlic in water and finally keep your Vanda orchid. I kept my Vanda orchid in water for 12 straight hours. I soaked at 8 am in the morning and took out the orchid from water at 8 pm at night. In case you are worried, no need to soak for such long, but at least soak for 1 to 2 hours. We can repeat the same once in 15 to 20 days. Finally, on 13th April, and then on 27th April, and then amazingly beautiful blooms on 28th May. I should have recorded somewhat more footage, from the very first bloom. Anyway, I hope you are loving the beautiful blooms. If you like, you can also find out how to grow and care for Phalaenopsis orchid, and in that video I have provided updates of 2 years. If you like, you can also find out how to grow and care for Phalaenopsis orchid, and in that video I have provided updates of 2 years. For that, please check out the next video. Hope you found this video useful, and if you did, I would really appreciate if you give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel if you are new to Gardening Upbeat. Thank you so much for watching. Truly appreciate it. Have a great time and enjoy.